Hello again, this is Richard, and as you can see I've got some paints laid out, and I'm going to be going over this previously done picture. The idea that I had for that picture did not turn out, and so it's going down the road, and we're going to do a do-over, do it in black. I'm going to black again, and then I'm going to do 2 flip cups, and we'll see what we can end up with there. So give me a minute to redo the canvas and get a black base on it, and we'll be back for some prime time flipping. I'll be back. Hold on. So here we are, and I've got my paints put in the little cups, and this is going to be a flip, which means I think I've done this a couple of times, and each time it's been a lively result, but this time I'm just going to try to flip them. So, and I'm going to do 2 cups, maybe a little more than I should, but what the heck. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there was one. And here's, well, hey, not bad. I didn't disaster it after all. How interestingly fun. Hey, hey, hey. Let's see what we end up with here. Okay. There's that. And in my mind's eye, when I started this, I was going to do a little drizzling of white and see well, maybe a little bit more drizzle than that, Richard. Bear with me here. Yeah. Crazy, huh? Yes, it is. Okay, one more. Okay, I don't know what that's going to do for me, but it'll add another element of nuts craziness to it, right? Okay, I'm going to put my gloves on. I didn't trust myself with these gloves on those little cups because sometimes that plastic gets so slippery. Heck, I've even dropped the dang things when they've been empty. So, yeah, this is fun. Let's do a little tipping. A little tipping and dripping. Let's go this way. And then back to the middle. Yeah. And then that way. And then back to the middle. And I think we'll come down. Over to this corner and off the edges, twist, back center, and then how about down to the other corner, come on down, we can leave a little black down there. I'm going to come back up here and then back down. Let's bring the blue over. Let's get a little more blue in there. Ooh. kind of like enjoy that. Let's see what we got here after slipping in the slide in a few minutes. Well, I don't mind that. I do have some humongous living organisms in it, though. I don't know if you can see that right there, but lately I've been having a problem with having chunks in my paint. I don't know what it's from, but anyway, let me get these gloves off and get the butane blower, and let's make sure we can tell the difference between chunks and bubbles. Here's another chunk. There was a bubble. Okay, let me get my tweezers, and let's get this guy right here. Oh yeah, it gives it a design when you pull it out too. This is fun. It's a double benefit. Let's see. I think, boy, I don't know where. I wonder which paint had these goobers in it. But you know, it's okay because you can pull them out. What the heck? This is like having taken an eyesight test at the optometrist's office. If you can see the lumps, you're okay. You can see. Okay. I'm sure I may find some more later as things progress. Anyway, let's see. What else do we want to do? It's really kind of fun. You know me, I love my mini blower. Pew, pew, and give it a little bit of action. So I am going to look at this for a few minutes, let the colors do what they're going to do, and then we'll be back and we'll do a little fine tuning and have some fun with some other tools. So stand by. I will be back momentarily. So I blew a little bit more butane, a little heat on there to bring out some more bubbles, and I didn't see any more chunks. So I can't help myself. I cannot help myself. I'm going to give a little bit of I can't. You see what it does, right? It just gives it a little bit of, I think it just adds a little bit of interest for the eye to look at stuff and go, oh, that was fun. What did he do there? That's it. I think that's it. I'm gonna see if we have any more bubble. Yeah, we had some up there for sure. And if they don't pop and they're kind of big and they spit back at you, then you know it's a living organism, like this thing right here. Ooh, yeah, got him. It's pretty good. Get him for talking back to me. Oh, yeah. Well, this was a fun pour today. It's very bright and festive. Oh, yeah. It sure looks a lot better than the other one did that I had that we covered up this morning, isn't it? Yeah, this one will carry. It'll carry pretty good, I think. And I like the colors. And, hey, how about we quit while we were ahead and call this a fun pour for today? we'll have fun doing a little more touch-up while it's in the process of winding down its color mixing. So I will be back for a finished up close here in a few minutes, and we'll wrap this video up. So in the meantime, stand by. I will be back. Alrighty, here we are. I did a little bit more with the number 2 pencil and a little tiny bit more blowing with the mini blower. And you can see some of the, maybe you can't see what I did different. But anyway, this is a finished product. And you can see the colors blended and went together well, interacting in a fun way, in a fluid, dynamic way, of course. And then a little bit of the mini blower up at the top with number 2 pencil, turning the white into whatever, spiky little spooky things, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, gave it some dynamic visual movement and make it lively. So there you have it. This is Richard saying thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.